Hello everyone. Previously we studied about the shooting star candlestick pattern and today we study about the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. This is the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern occurs on the chart when large green candle fully engulf the previous smaller red candlestick pattern. This pattern usually occurs in a downtrend and interpretation of this candle indicate the beginning of a new bullish trend, which means the buyer have turned optimistic. The key requirement for this pattern are that the market must be in a clear downtrend. The first candle is the bearish, as you can see in the diagram which I draw. The first candle is the bearish. It engulf the second candle is bullish. It engulf the red candle. Then the market is goes to upward. It's the bearish candlestick pattern which is smaller than the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern which is fully engulfed previously red one. Okay, let's go to the chart and find some bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. As you can see here, the mark price was in a clear downtrend. The price is clear. Now you can see the red candlestick pattern is appear is here. Now next is the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern is appear and that engulf the previous red one. And now the market is on upward direction. Okay, before is market is downward direction. As the key requirement of this candle is must be on the market on downtrend and it is the trend reversal. Okay, now we go to the next candlestick pattern. Now you can see that pattern. As you can see, the red candle is a pair and next one is green bullish engulfing candle. They engulf the red one. Before is market, we can see the key requirement is on downward. When bullish engulfing candle is appear, then market go upward direction. This is the mostly occurs on the downtrend graph. As you can see the before downtrend market is upward. On second example, market downward, bullish engulfing candle is pair, market then upward. If we take third example, as you can see the this candle is appear at this time market try to dominate but not, but on this as you can see the bullish engulfing candle is appear that engulf the red one and market is downward. When the bullish engulfing candle is appear, as you can see the this is the red candle that engulf the green one. Okay, this is the red candle that engulf the green candle and now market is on upward direction. I give you live example on BTC 4-hour chart and I recommend you kindly practice this candle on tradingview.com. If you have any question regarding this, you may ask in question answer section and let me know if you have any issue. I will respond your query as soon as possible. So we move on the next lecture.